Lily is our next star performer, and this is what Dorothy wrote about her. Lily is about 5'10". She can't stand up straight, so we are unable to get an accurate measurement. Her shoulders thrust so far forward, she looks like she's walking against a strong wind. Before she had her hair cut, she looked like Harpo Marx. Lily would not sit still in the beauty shop, so they were unable to cut her hair. Her daughter got sick of Lily's appearance and decided to cut her hair herself. Now Lily looks like an aged punker. There's nothing we can do with her hair. Everyone tries. It sticks out in every which way. When we grease it down, we get greasy spikes. Another resident's daughter brought a lifelike doll for all of the residents on the unit. Lily fell in love with the doll the minute she saw it. She carries it with her all day. We have to take it away from her at meal times because she likes to feed her baby. She wants to feed it food. We got tired of having to clean the gunk off of the baby's face and hands and clothes after supper. She sleeps with it at night. One of the doll's arms came loose, and the social worker took the doll home with her to repair it. Lily was lost. She searched and searched for the baby. She didn't understand when we told her the baby would be back soon. We tried replacing it with a doll that is almost identical. Cute, Lily said, then set it aside. She wouldn't hold it. When she got her own baby back, Lily giggled and giggled, going around showing it to everyone. Isn't she cute? Just look at her. Isn't she cute? Lily was so distraught when we tried to take the baby at supper time the day that day that she got it back. We decided to just let her keep it. One more time of cleaning it wouldn't hurt us. Lily's family is wonderful. They know the names of all of the residents. They sit and talk with all of them when they come to visit. They dance with all of them at parties and help pass out refreshments. An onlooker wouldn't be able to tell just who they were hooked up with. Lily doesn't mind a bit having to share them. She smiles and giggles. Having her family in the same room is all she needs. So what does Lily want more than anything in the world? To be with her baby. Nothing else matters as long as she is holding and cooing at her baby.